Hey everyone, Jonathan Smith here at Vermeer Southeast. You guys caught me in the shop doing a little bit of work for a change, but I wanted to talk about our upcoming HDD two-day fundamental training that we're having here at the Marietta office, December 3rd and 4th. So go on VermeerSoutheast.com, hit that events and training tab at the top, and it'll give you a rundown of the class. It'll also let you register there. We're going to be talking about a lot of stuff in this class, a lot of stuff on drilling fluids. We have a live interactive demo on the drilling fluid, so it's actually showing you what's happening and what the different products are downhole. We'll also go over our locator training to improve your accuracy out in the field. So it's packed full of a bunch of information. I look forward to seeing you guys. Mark it on your calendars, December 3rd and 4th. Come and see me. On behalf of everybody here at Vermeer Southeast, have a safe and productive day.